Hello everybody and welcome back to another video in Minecraft Xbox Edition. And
What Xbox though?
oh, Xbox One Edition.
Exactly.
Yeah. How to do it right.
Vital information.
So we're just I'm renovating the house, building the second floor to it.
Wait, what? You're renovating it?
Yeah, building a second floor.
Oh. I thought it meant something different. I don't mind.
What, you have a dirty one now?
No, you do, Tom.
Naughty boy. Naughty, naughty.
I said you do, Tom. You do, don't you?
Yeah, no. No!
Yeah, you even just admitted it right there.
What?
Everyone that watches this video now thinks you're a racist.
How am I a racist for saying beep?
Yeah, exactly. You're a racist.
Dark out here, you know.
Yeah, my book didn't get us. No, this one actually.
Really scary. Oh yeah, I did put it on hard.
Yeah, we did.
No, I didn't really. But I need to put it on easy one time. Just because
Right, let's just make a little
we
part
need
here.
bone meal and we need bones and all that. There's no point making a hut, Charlie. It's not an easy or anything, unless you want it on easy.
Yeah, I do actually.
You want it on easy? Do you want me to quit the game
Yeah.
quickly?
No, don't.
Okay.
Well,
No, let's sleep through the night quickly, Charlie. Sleep through the night. then
No,
I'll-
I like it.
Oh, I
at
know,
night.
so I just spat everywhere. No, sleep through the night, then I'll change it to
Okay.
survival.
It really isn't.
I'll just kill myself nearly. And then yeah, we'll go from there. We get diet. It took me
So,
quite a few.
Nico, Charlie, tell me if you like the look of the house.
Well, it looks good.
Ugly, because you've done it. It's fine, really.
I think it looks
So it's better than some houses I've built. Just get back on.
Hey, that's not nice.
Come on.
I think it's really good.
Nico, good night, Nico.
Yeah,
Sleep
it's fine.
tight, rock-a-bye, Nico, on the sweet time. I've got a sword to blow your brains out. I'm sorry, baby Nico, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby Nico. No, Nico, I've actually... You killed me. Why you kill me? Oh, it's gonna take ages to... Oh, it's gonna take ages to sort out my inventory now. And there you go.
Oh, he comes out like, what the hell's going on in here?
What's going on in here then? Naughty, naughty. Naughty, naughty.
He started singing Rockabye Baby to me, so I decided to kill him with a pickaxe.
Sorry, and
I went into bed.
I had a sword.
Guys,
No, that's what made me. Yeah.
I'm hiding from a Nico. Nico, do you want to come in?
That's what made me laugh. But didn't even whack me once with that sword. I'm just sitting there. I'm just sitting there.
Rock-a-bye, Charlie.
Whacking his feet. No, Tom, just get to bed now. I'll come kill you again.
Please.
Good night. I literally took out all of the cobblestone and said goodnight.
No, what we need to do is we need to put... No, wait. what we need to do is we need to put
Nico, get in bed now.
through the. What we need to do is. Oh God, we've got a pig in my bedroom. Get out of here, pig.
I can say.
And Nico, don't be so rude about your wife.
Look.
Don't be so rude about your wife.
What we need to do is do this, Tom. We need to do this, Tom. Right, hang on. We need to do this, Tom. Hang on. Wait 1 minute. We need to do.
Not listening. Bye.
Tom, go in your bedroom. I can see everything you're doing now.
Can you? Oh yeah. So clever. Can you put it back?
No, we're going to put glass in this bit.
Okay. Okay, but when these
Do it,
turn into
we'll do it.
storage rooms, the glass has got to go, okay?
No, Tom. This is my room. Because
Oh,
I do
yeah.
nothing. I get to do what I want.
Yeah, but one of
Right, come on, Charlie. Let's get back to work.
the rooms is got to be a storage room, okay?
It's up to me what I do. Oh, actually, I need to quit the game quickly, don't I?
Oh yeah.
What, put it on easy?
Yeah, I'm just going to put it easy. Okay. Let's do normal. Let's do easy, just because easy's easy enough for me. Otherwise, I end up dying. I'm absolutely terrible at
Actually,
one
we're going
crossing.
to City World.
No, let's finish this because we're doing a video, aren't we? And Nico, let's finish
Yeah.
off the
Let's
house.
finish it. And then we go on the city world, okay? Once
Yeah.
we've done this, once Tom's finished this video. Yeah?
No, once the house is finished.
Oh, mate, we're going to need food now.
No, we've got loads of time.
No, we're not doing it. No, we're not, Tom. We're not. We'll do it after the video's finished.
Okay.
We're going to need food, everyone.
Okay, then tonight we'll go back on
So
to...
sad. We'll go back on this world tonight. We'll do swips and swaps tonight, yeah? Like
Yeah.
this morning.
Wow, the world looks so different. And my game's not loaded in. And I think I've just spawned on some random island. God damn it, my hunger's going down.
No, Tommy's probably got.
Hey, that was my cooked rabbit.
Going. What's happened to the sheep? The sheep aren't there.
Yes, they are.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, it's my distance and I can't see it.
You're
I
a bit
can
cold.
see you over there, but you're just standing on air. Just sitting.
Yeah, that's what it looks like for me.
No, I'm stuck in a sheep. My lap's like no, I try to get out of it and then
There is a bit of Oh, Tom, do you have to shoot a stick?
No.
Oh my God, I'm so That. Charlie, once I end up falling in love.
Did you say that you think you're falling in love with Charlie?
So you're hearing things now. I said, Charlie, that's why I don't like it. proper mining or like strip mining, because you don't fall in.
What, you gonna say that you're
You
turning
need to
into
go
a...
get your ears checked.
What, are you turning into a stripper now?
Oh my god! Oh, it's
But you said you're going to strip mining.
Yeah, that proves that you have a certain mindset. Ow! Stop!
Yay.
sorry, I didn't mean to. You got him away, mate. Oh god. Tom, tell us when you finish that video. Rainbow!
What?
Oh, he's sitting in the front man. That's a lot. You do.
Right, okay, Nico.
Yeah.
When it's night, you have to like make this little hut.
No, we won't. We're just go. No, Charlie, don't do that. We'll just go back to the house really
Yeah,
quickly.
you can just go like this.
Yeah, but we have no beds.
Yeah, Nico. This is just to save us when we're mining at night. Mining
Oh,
at
yeah.
night.
Yeah, well, what if zombies and all that come in here? Because I don't have a sword or anything.
I do. Oh yeah, and Nico, have your shears.
I don't need them, mate. I was
Oh.
just wondering if you wanted them, if you had them.
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I just found them.
Ow, ow.
Just mine one layer out at a time, Charlie. Okay. And all the stuff we don't need, yeah, just don't mine it. Okay. Just don't mine it if we don't need it. There's no point in mining stuff we don't need.
Have you got a cold?
Yeah.
Right, but it sounds like it.
No, that was me coughing.
I'm not like proper ill, I just cough. Boss, are you gonna end the video anytime soon?
Okay, let's do 3 more videos and then, because videos are only 10 minutes.
No.